Jessica, a staff of Women with a Mission and a trained paralegal at Women with a Mission. In this community of Namatala in Abuja, we are saddened this evening that we have lost an adolescent girl and young woman, a girl who was 20 years old, who was found dead due to unsafe abortion. She was pregnant, I think, around 4 to 3 months. So in the incident, she was trying to abort because she's a lady who already had 2 children, but the man was not supporting her. So I think she saw herself carrying this other pregnancy and it was going to be a burden on her. She tried to have an abortion, but in an unsafe way. She used the local herbs and she was found dead on a veranda with the blood flowing and everything had come out. It was an abortion that was already procured, but I think she lost a lot of blood and she died in the process. So as Women with a Mission, we really feel saddened because why would people die due to unsafe abortion? Yet safe abortion is a health right. If only people would access hospitals to go and have safe abortion. Because when we talk about body autonomy, it is my body, my right. Why are people restricted when it comes to having abortion? So many young girls, so many women, even the married women, people die due to unsafe abortion. Even as we speak right now, there is another person who has died due to unsafe abortion. So I think if only they would let people have a way that when I feel I do not want to be a baby, I can walk into a health facility and I receive all the services. It would be something that would be so good. But due to unsafe abortion, we've lost a very young girl who was in her time of coming up and doing something else for her life. But because she could not access safe abortion, she died. And how did these girls take this abortion? This one died because she tried to use local herbs. There are people who use the hangers, there are those who take laser blades, there are people who even put bottle tops and broken bottles into themselves to commit these abortions. But why would we go through all this fast? If only we could have health centers where a person could walk in and have procure a safe abortion and walk out when they are okay. Because in the end it comes back to body autonomy. It is my body, my right. Thank you so much.
Maybe.
I think as an organization our call to the government would be if only they would know it in their minds. Let alone being government. Because even them, they have lost, at one point in time, somebody has lost a brother, a sister, somebody has lost an aunt, somebody has lost a mother due to unsafe abortion. So I think if only government would allow people to have procure safe abortions in places, maybe in health facilities, because people have different things they go through. Mental health is something that is so bad. Like this girl who procured an abortion and died due to it. Just because she had children that a man was not taking care of, she could not see herself having a third child who was going to become a burden on her side. So if only the government of Uganda would allow people or would allow health facilities to procure safe abortions for people, I think we would put a stop to unsafe abortions and we would be saving the generations that have to come. Advice I would give is I cannot really give an advice because if a person wants to procure an abortion, no matter how many times you will sit the person down and talk to them, they will in one way or another do it. So I think the only way that we can go is to have health facilities that procure safe abortions. Because I cannot tell you that you can advise somebody who wants to procure an abortion and you can talk to them now and they will show you that they have, the mind has gone off. But maybe in the places where you're not with them, they can try to procure it themselves, like this one. She did it alone in a place where nobody was. Maybe if she was with somebody at that particular moment, maybe they would help and rush her to hospital. But because she was alone, very weak, and after procuring this abortion, there is no way she would take herself to hospital. So due to overbleeding, she died. So I cannot really tell you that we can advise anybody or the young girls who procure abortions. I think the only way to go is for the government to allow health facilities to procure safe abortions for people.
Chairman, I think the said, Namatala Ward. Mukada alukidwa kumacha. So azibadde ngaziri mu biriawo. Ne wayusi. Alowooza nga tumugiye basi. Kozo omuntu abadde awumudde. Kale mpro kuna kanaja je nantegeeza nange ni sisi nzija buzikusi. Nsanga ngo omuntu ali akwetegeeza nga muntu. Ninambe kisinga obulungi. Kamere polisi. Batomanya. Kimutuuseeko kuke. Bosi mayingiza omusango ne bagamba abantu tukeze kwetegeeza ati ani kitabo mu ngalo kyedwala. Kama aka kisinonyeza nalaba abantu be twasaganye olenga batwala tugeza paka budo wakakana kaongezi kano tukisobose okuza ate obubaka wa OC station yena Mataala kale bumpi abakutegeza tuddeyo akubire DPC kulengera emotoka namba kutale moto sigade wakola koseya kyama n'ekitundu kino ekyanyangase
amanduwe kede kumacha nensanga omuwala nebasemanje okoza akozeki afude kozi nga amumanya atambulira kuno abawala ababeera kuno kati ng'omuzaade nensala okukola ki gamba abatuuse ne bajja ne bawaayo omukono ne batambula ne banoonya ssente baguze sanduuku baguze amasuuka tukubidde abantu baabwe amasimu tebali kutufaako batubuuze kino nakiri ng'ate ali kwekitabo ky'eddwaliro omulambo gwe guli awo leero sinkubidde lipooti kumeka
mwenga
ffe tubadde tumulaba nga wonaalaba abawala ku kitundu mulimu gwabwe okunywera baala gyanyweramu ebeera wali naye kati nze okusanga wano omulambo tuuta obuvunaanyizibwa kuba wali wabadde nga tewali ekifo gye basobola kukuumiramu ki omulambo nenkumanga omuzaade
Kabila Rashidi ng'omutuuzi w'Amataala omukyala ono yajja kuno nalebala liweze kubiyonso mu myaka nga ebiri mabega bensuubira ng'amula kuno yajja tujja tutyamu nga bbaala n'aba nga wangala ne batuuze baane banywa batya ebintu byabwe tetwamanya yavaawa ate akuba nti mukazi babuuza kikyamera kuno abadde ali kuno nga wangalira kuno n'abatuuze baane bambya ne fortunate mukama yawagize n'afuna obulwadde noza bagambye nti baleno bali b'omuluma bwe yagenze mu ddwaliro akyale yakomyewo n'afa naye tuli kunoonyerezaako onyo yali avaawa era ndi atunufunyeeko omukubbawo gyali avudde gyawanga yasobola okusoka yasokera sooti gyandezawo yasoka sooti era mukuva esooti najana embaale kubanga naye bawa agambye media nti ali kuwuja naye alifunga omulambo
nga batuze kikyemuzaako
etuusa batulizeeko information evudde mu bbaawo owesoroti nakugamba nti omukyala naye namusanga soroti naye yava mu kifo fulani kati ife nga ab'embaaya tuli kubeesingira ku muntu w'esoroti yagenda tulaga
mu community yaffe tufunyeeko keesi y'omuwala omu abadde mu myaka 2 omuwala abadde agezaako okugyamu olubuto nebino eddagala bya habo naye eddagala ne bimukosa ne bimuyisa bubi kweyabbaye kati leero ku makya ne tumusingana ng'akoze ekyo afiiridde mabega wa kabokisi akamu awo kubeera omuwala abadde mu mbeera mbi nga talina wakusula talina nawabeera kati ne tugezaako kukikwasaganyaawo naye n'abantu bebenni bafuna bulungi organization kyetuliko neno cause like twagala gavumenti yakunkiriza abantu bagendenga mu malwaliro bafunenga safe abortion instead of just people okubeerawo nga bakozesa ebiragalagala whereby it causes death bakati mu mwaka guno twakafuna cases nyingi nga bawala bafa engeri kategerekeka mu ngeri okugyamu embuto n'amalagala getutamanyiiko kati at least bye tugezaako to advocate gavumenti ekkirize separation advice gyosobola okubawa kati like nga munaafu oyo oba n'abawala abamu abakyaliwo at least oba tusobola okukozesaako family planning gyetusobola okukozesaako ate n'abalala nti bw'oba ng'ofunye olubuto tekikirizibwa ate tekiri advisable to go and use good herbal medicine okugyamu olubuto nga basobola ogendako mu malwaliro gebafuna safe abortion.
Nafuna Sofia nkola ne Women with a Mission nkozeeko obuyambi ku mukyala munnange obuyabayi abadde afudde nga tewali muntu ayikola muyamba kumunaaza kitegeere ne baleeta ebyetaagisa ebirina okukozesebwa ne babimba nemunaaza nemutuusa buli wamu nga ndi kumunaaza nze munaaziza nemukilininga ng'omukazi balina okukola ki okuyonjebwa nemunaaza bulungi nnyo bemaze okumunaaza bulungi nnyo kubanga nze nafuna mukosa ebibintu by'omugongo.
Kati mwenga batuuze ki kyemuza
tujja kufuna obuyambi kuva mu gavumenti ndowooza